So my Valk 4 and GAN356X has arrived. So let's unbox it. Hey guys, this is Epicuber and over here and welcome to my channel. And finally, I was able to remove this stupid UV filter after a ton of hassle. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch this video to learn a little bit more. I legit thought I broke this lens over here. So first of all, we're gonna unbox the Valk 4M. So let's open it up. What is this even used for? I'm probably just gonna open it with this. That was a bit too hard. My GoPro almost went down like my camera did. Okay, so let's just open it up and see what's in here. Cool, we got the Valk 4M. And why is there a Moyi stand over here? Well, anyways, let's just move on with our life. And now we're gonna actually unbox the Valk 4M. So it's a very hard process. However, you know, we do have this unboxing tool to our disposal, which is actually making my job 10 times easier. It's okay, that's kind of amazing. So let's just open it up and 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Okay, so our first look at the Valk 4M. So right out of the bat, I already have a ton of expectations for this cube since the case looks awesome, like it's amazing. So I really hope the 4x4 actually lives up to the case, like the quality of the case. So let's just get out the stuff. And we also have this convenient little box over here, which I guess is gonna be accessories, stickers, and tons of absolutely useless garbage cards. And let's just open it up. And ooh, I like that sound. It's the sound of, you know, excitement of unboxing Rubik's Cubes. And it feels a little bit too sandy, I feel like. Not exactly the best cube out of the box. And it probably will become really different after I lube it with some speedier lube. So let's keep on unboxing with this handy unboxing tool. So we got through the first layer, so now we have a second layer to go through. That's tons of layers. And you already can see it says GAN cube on it, and you know what it is. And we're gonna open it in 3, 2, 1, go! You can see we have the classic GAN cube case over here. I already have like 2 of these from the SM, and we also have this card, which again is pretty much useless. And we also have this mystery case. What can possibly be inside here? Probably it's magnets and nuts. That's what I'm thinking. And lo and behold, we have the new GES nuts. So now I'm gonna try my first ever Rubik's Cube that can swap magnets on the go as well as swap tensions, which is really amazing. This is like the only cube on the market that actually can do this. There we go, you can see the magnets come right out. So apparently the transparent magnets are actually strong, so they should be similar to my GTS 3M. So I'm actually gonna bring it over so we can compare it a little bit. So comparing them side by side, I feel like the GTS 3M's magnets are actually slightly stronger than the GAN356X's strongest variant of magnets, so that's a thing apparently. So I guess I'll go with the stock magnets since they're the strongest and they'll be the most similar to the GTS 3M. And now let's try to change the nuts in the GAN356X. And apparently GS Plus nuts don't require you any kind of tools. As you can see over here, it's 100% tool-free turning, so I actually can use my hands to do this. So that's amazing. So actually putting back the center caps for the GAN356X is a little bit hard. Well, there we go, finally. There we go. So anyways, we were able to successfully unbox these 2 Rubik's Cubes without any kind of nasty incident. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on all the content I upload. And join the community below by commenting. And have fun. Epic Cubers, bye.